today are no longer what were the traditional media companies. The traditional media companies we are used to were companies like say, Warner Brothers or Fox or Disney and so on and so forth. Those have been left way behind. Today the largest media company is Apple. Today the largest media company is Google. They are the ones that reach out. They are the ones that are responsible for production. They are the ones that are responsible for distribution. They are the ones that are responsible for distribution. So therefore, the whole scenario of media and entertainment space has changed so drastically over a period of time. And you have the advantage that you are actually grown up with all of that. So therefore, don't look at these companies really as IT companies, as technology companies, but they are media companies. They are media companies because today, when you look at YouTube, for example, you know the power of YouTube as compared to, say, distribution that happens in a traditional way in the multiplexes or in single screens or whatever. So therefore, and this is just the beginning, mind you, you're virtually seeing these companies are today among the world's largest companies and they didn't even exist 15 years ago. I mean, we could hardly imagine at one point in time that companies can start off at zero level and reach to be the world's largest companies in a span of 15-20 years. But that is possible, and probably that time frame will continue to narrow over a period of time. So therefore, you will find that the kind of opportunities that exist in media and the merger and convergence of media with information will throw up continuously more and more opportunities which will come your way. So therefore, yes, if you want to drift into creativity, by all means do that. If you want to drift into completely unrelated, untested waters, do that. As long as you think that yes, here's something I want to do and I will enjoy doing it, that should be your primary goal. Remember that your career choice should be based on this one decision, that is, will I enjoy doing what I'm doing? Will I like what I'm doing? Okay? Don't let these choices be based on how secure that field will be. Don't let these choices be based on how much money I'll make out of it. Money is something that will happen as long as you're enjoying doing what you're doing, it will come over a period of time. It may take that much longer. But let me tell you that among the things that I kept trying almost all throughout was that I wanted always to be an entrepreneur. That I succeeded only partly because I launched 3-4 ventures of my own. Only one of them really did reasonably well, 3 of them failed. But I enjoyed with each one of them. Whatever money I earned in my various capacities, the various activities and jobs that I did, every time I had an idea, I moved on and I wanted to sort of look at that. And I enjoyed till I reached a stage where I found that it wasn't getting anywhere. The idea of what I started with isn't getting anywhere. I gave it up, came back, again, so built up a little capital, again went back. So therefore, there is no replacement for entrepreneurship. Okay? Again, as I said, both entrepreneurship as well as creativity are both in a very insecure zone. But one of the wonderful things about that insecurity is that insecurity is one of the pushing factors. And yes, if you do happen to try to rich, great. But even if you don't, if you enjoy the path, if you enjoy the journey, I think you have achieved the goal. The other major important decision that you require to make in life is choosing the right partner for yourself. Okay? So while that is not part of the discussion that I intend to give this evening, but let me tell you, it is a very great element in your entire future life, because a lot will depend on how supportive your partner is and how well you are in terms of your own family relationships, your family bonding. Because finally, you will realize that all that you're doing is to build up a nest, to build a home that is where you are happy, where you can see happiness and that joy builds up within yourself as well as within your family. So those are some things that you need to keep in mind. Having said that, I'd rather open this up for an interactive session. So I think I'll talk more about things as I get questions, and anyone is free to sort of ask questions or comment or express their doubts or whatever. I'm very happy. Yeah. The first break in terms of analysis. Therefore, that's something that you will have to must at every stage, every issue, every thing that you have, and then find your own. And once you're convinced that yes, this is the right thing to do, just go ahead. Yes. So creativity is for those who are willing to take risks. It's for those who are willing to try something very different. It's not for those who would rather have a secure position and a secure place. It's not.
So what do you do now? I mean, what courses do you take?
Well, I do a whole lot of things. I do a lot of writing. I've just completed a film which released the Mumbai Army with the festival starting next week. Also, and I do a whole lot of.
What do you start with? What do you start with? After your ideas?
Okay. Well, photography was my favorite. I started as so I started like with an interest in photography, and thereafter, at that point in time, when video came in, those days I had a 8mm camera, and I after my SLR, I had a Rolex camera, and it was a lot of photography, but it was very expensive, and I could hardly afford it. And I had my own camera, and I could work there. But when video came in, I found it was much cheaper, and I could get afford to experiment with a lot of things. And I moved on to video. I still don't like video as a medium, but it's cheaper. I use a digital SLR as opposed to this standard camera. But those are compromises we take for convenience, for now of course DSLR as good as the SLR. But technology is changing significantly. So today, working digital sometimes it's better than working analog. Some yes, some no, because I was also the managing director of the National Film Development Corporation sometimes. So therefore, I experimented with a whole lot of things while I was there. So I did work with very important directors. I did I was really large with the lot of things that I have produced. I did even therefore, that did give me a lot of exposure. Yes and no. I mean, at the end of the day, when you learn, you do pick up from so many different sources. And then you combine them in your own way to become your style. Therefore, it's not as if it's all original. You have drawn elements from so many learnings, some which you are aware of, some which you are not aware of. So therefore, the important thing is that how to mix and match that. It's like creating a new dish, you draw from various inspirations. So, while you may have made a chicken curry and chicken curry are very different. You have made it and done in different ways, but it's your dish. It's just that the mix is different and the way you've done it is different. The process is different. I have been inspired a lot by directors, particularly Satyajit Ray, and I do consider it an absolutely wonderful person. great filmmaker. So he was a great source of inspiration for me. As a young person, having interactions with that was great. The important thing was to know the expanse of knowledge that we have. Same thing with NF Hussain. He was a real friend and I talked with him. And it was amazing. So here was a man who was hardly literate. He had just passed school. But his knowledge on anything under the sun, whether it was, religion, including Hinduism, and his knowledge of Hinduism was far in excess of all these people who sort of kept protesting against it and spoke about all kinds of things, all knowledge. I mean, you had to see the knowledge that he had. So it was amazing, interacting with people like them, and just ended up learning.
So nowadays the things are shot with DSLR, like 10 to 10. So what kind of technological difference do you see?
No, they are pretty good. But technologies that are coming now, whatever, because these outputs are as good as most of the see analog. In fact, for most of us, when we see out in the screen, we don't know how it is being shot. But the latest thing that we shot is shot on a.
So is there special proof for that?
Pardon?
Is there special proof for that?
See, the processing, once, whether even if you make it in digital, in analog these days, you shoot in a 35 mm or in 16 mm, whatever, you get to the post-production all in digital form. So therefore, from analog, you convert it to digital, and all what is called as DI, digital intermediate, those are all done in digital format. And then, if you want to reconvert it into analog or screen, 35 mm, some papers, you can do that. But these days, increasingly, papers have all become digital. Therefore, it's much easier to just do your production in digital and do your exhibition. Earlier, the problem was that your production was all in analog and your exhibition was partly in analog and partly in digital. That is now what we do. Now there are very few papers that have analog screens because it's far more expensive. Digital has given you production of one, of lower cost, and two, of easy delivery. The fact that things have to be physically moved from the lab in Mumbai, for example, to places as far away as Assam, they all had to be done overnight because the releases were Friday. So you had a Friday release and then prints you got to the lab on Wednesday and you ship them, including them all over the town, all over the country. You would have probably included 1,000 prints and those like huge cans and things like that, and just keep your fingers crossed that they reach in time for the Friday morning day. But those things are all over now, they're all satellite deliveries, therefore you are virtually uploading it via satellites, the creators are then downloading it onto your hard disk via satellite, everything is ready, it all happens almost overnight, so this Thursday night they start uploading. So, and I had to pass my exams every year because I was hospitalized. So, I had to stay there for 3 years and I didn't have a place to stay, so I had to pass my exams every year. So, that's how I passed my exams. Beyond that, if you ask me anything about this, I don't. So, it's a career-oriented job. Okay? There was one job, but an S before. I would say. Yeah. Unfortunately, he is no more with us. Unfortunately, he is no more with us. Life is like that, we have to be realistic. Somebody comes, creates, goes. Somebody takes over. It's time to retake over. Unfortunately for us, he is no more. Like Ganguly was the one who initiated the idea of winning in the Indian cricket team's mind. Before that, nobody thought that India would win. But Ganguly had to go, Dhoni took over. Steve Jobs is gone. Right? We have to take it positively because photography, when I started photography, was basically translating negatives into positives. I started with negative film. So if that was my profession, why couldn't it not be my way of life?
So I take everything that comes my way in the positive sense, but if it doesn't work that way, I make it into positive. How? Why? Which way? Is another question. The answer is very, very simple. People wanted me to go to the biggest university. My parents, my family, my friends, and so on and so forth. I do that. But not as a student, but as a student. Job is done. How many IITs can you go to in one lifetime? I have already been free. Chennai called me last year, I could not go. Kharagpur called me this year, I could not. So, most likely I will go there sometime. So, that being the case, and I am not an IIT mind. Okay? I am just a physics graduate, which I had to do because I had to live in the hospital. I always wanted to become a photographer, I wanted to make films, and I wanted to have fun and live my dreams. So, what did these Steve Jobs that we are talking about do? There are three kinds of professions that one looks at. One is science, the other is commerce, and the third one is art. How many of us think of loving the tree? Steve Jobs is exactly that. And that's what I expect from you guys. Because you guys got an analytical mind, you guys are much more intelligent as it's perceived to be might as well be human. Even if you're not, you're an IITian. So you're perceived to be the most brilliant kids in the country. Okay? So if that is a perception, take full advantage of it. Okay? So that's one. Because perceptions and reality are different. Preetham sir, okay, और ये sir की क्या जरूरत है जब हम सबके पास एक sir है. Okay? So if we start using this sir, you would not need this sir anymore. Right? And I wasn't even born when the sir who was talking just a while ago started his career. What did I do? Okay? How do we club this tree? The science that you are studying right now, the art that you are interested in, if you can figure out a way to bridge this gap with the commerce that is in between, your dreams are. Okay? Now, talking about photography, I had done a session last time at Modidigo, but I had spoken about photography, what photography meant to me. Today the lecture is on career and all that. I don't know what it is because I have never worked in my life. I've only taken pictures. What I said was, and what photography to me is, P for perception, A for how, O for observation, P for views and types, O for opportunities, G for gears and gadgets, R for realizing and picture taking mistakes, A for acquisition analysis, P for presentation, H for handling the photography, and Y for yourself, that is designing and designing. That was my class last time. But this time, since it's a career based, life is very, very simple. And we can easily have fun doing what we do. I am no different from you guys. I am the same guy like you guys are. Okay? Maybe a little elder to you, just because I happen to come in a little early. Okay? So what am I? I am exactly like you guys. Can we have the lights off? Some sense, nonsense, boring. नींद आ गया क्या क्या हुआ? अभी तक तो हमने देखना ही चालू नहीं किया. Photography is all about seeing things. So this is me. Okay. What did this guy do? Just another student like you looking for inspiration from one of the That's Ashok Mehta sir. Ashok Mehta sir was one of the greatest cinematographers the world has ever known. Unfortunately, we lost him recently, and this was during my college days when I went to meet him. He was shooting a film in my college. Okay, I was not aware of it. Okay, I came back to the hostel, and in our hostel there used to be time constraints and all of that. We were getting at 10 o'clock in the morning, so we used to have these windows with drawers. So I ran out of the hostel in the middle of the night, went to his hotel, and 1:30 p.m. Those days I didn't have mobile phones because mobile phones were not available that frequently, and so we used to wait for the STD booths to open. 6 o'clock in the morning, I'm sitting outside the ST booth, waiting to call up my mom and tell her, tomorrow morning I am going to quit my college and go and work with Ashok Mehta and become the world's greatest economist. Okay? 6 o'clock in the morning, I call up my mom, bus. You go with Ashok Mehta and forget us to a draft that is coming every month, you stop coming all the very best. Well, as luck would have it, Ashok Mehta never happened and Rita Banerjee happened. So whatever happens, happens for the good, I believe. So, taking it from there, what did I do? Who am I? I'm an idiot who believes in his dreams. And just like Ratan Tata or Steve Jobs or any other guy like them, I do not believe in taking the right decisions because who knows what is right. When Steve Jobs started doing something or Bill Gates started doing something or Zuckerberg started doing something, was it considered to be right? 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 Okay? Islam, okay? He showed me a movie called Pirates of the Silicon Valley. Have you guys seen it? Okay. If you see it, you would not consider Steve Jobs or Bill Gates to be right in the okay? They were guys who stole ideas from the dogs. And that's what made this Steve Jobs and Bill Gates, and everybody does several other things. So, what is perceived and what did Zuckerberg do before he started Facebook or when he was started Facebook? Social network, have you seen the movie? Okay, ये लड़की अच्छी है, was that right? But it did stuff like that, and today oh no, Facebook. So everything is right 21. Okay, so let us not look at the rights and wrongs. Let's not try to do the wrong, because if you do the wrongs, the chances are that you may not succeed. And then people will bounce on you. Nobody remembers the good thing that I did. If I say one wrong sentence today, you will remember that. All the right things I have told you so far, nobody will remember. Right? So that's how reality is, and that's how things work. So what does Rhythm do? Okay, it takes pictures and calls it up, and people exhibit in government exhibitions at the Mumbai airport and several such places. This is at the Mumbai airport. Okay, and people come to see it. Okay, this is one of the exhibitions that I did. Okay, whose pictures traveled across the world? These are the Davos, the World Economic Forum. The picture that you see here are students of IIM Ahmedabad, taught by Rita Banerjee, copywriting and London Limited. Okay? And who makes them do it? Thanks to the people who have to pay him for just taking it. These are a small list of clients that I have. I mean, there are more, it's not fit in one page, so I bought about it. So, and what else do they do? They pay for holidays. They take you to exotic locations and make him shoot pictures and keep it in 7-star Vegas hotels and say, wow, Rhythm, you deserve $10,000. Wow, not bad, huh? And then what I shot for MyTrip.com and the one. I just came back from Thailand. I was staying in most exotic locations of Thailand, Koh and Chiang Mai, and 32-acre property of 4 Seasons hotel and so on and so forth. And being pampered, I had a pool to myself inside my room and whatnot. So anyway, so that's what happens as we go along. Because Rhythm is known for the company he keeps. He is represented by the biggest agency in the world, which is called Getty Images. Okay? Getty Images is my agent. Because of Getty Images, I have had the opportunity to get exposed to the world beyond Bombay, beyond Bandra, beyond Goa. My work has been exhibited across the globe in magazines, in newspapers, in catalogs, in hoardings, in billboards, and so on and so forth. So what's the big deal in it? Not something to do with. So what happens is, when such people give you a good company, then you have better company. There are people looking models who come to you and say, wow, can we go to some exotic places and take some kick-ass pictures? And you make friends with them. What more do you want? Right? So, along with that, you also get to spend quality time with some people like these. I was the official photographer of Mission Impossible. I happened to shoot with Tom Cruise and so on and so forth. I've shot with several Hollywood stars and so on. And I am not from the Jersey Gate, I am from LA, which you can understand is not too long. Okay? So it is very much possible, only if you want to do. Okay? And how does it feel? You feel like a champion, doesn't it? You get to hold the World Cup in your own hand. Right? for people to sit, so observe and people to leave. Okay? So this is what happens. Even then, my next door neighbors in Calcutta, they ask me, बेटा तुम जल्दी क्या हो? अंकल आंटी मैं फोटो खींचता हूँ. अब वो तो ठीक है मगर तुम करते क्या हो? So then what do? You cannot explain to them what you do. But you realize within that all big dreams begin small. Okay? We are talking about price tags. This camera costs 125 rupees only. So if we are talking about मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है, तो कैसा करूँगा, and all of that. Most of my pictures have been shot in the past. I mean, recently I have got a little better cameras because what happens जो दिखता है वो दिखता है. So I have to go up with also sometimes. Okay? And if you believe me, most of the work that I have done has been done with very fundamental DC cameras. Okay? Bouncer का तो क्या हुआ? ये लोग दिमाग बुला दो, कैसा चाहो दुनिया वैसी ही दिखेगी. प्राइस टैग दिख रहा है. Wonder how people do work here. I was in Thailand last week, and this is what I was doing while having a drink. So a week before that, I was in Kerala. And a week before that, I was in Delhi. And a week before that, I was in Pondicherry. And the picture that you saw, I shot with. Where is it going? Okay, the camera has been. The picture that you just saw. Okay. Now the question arises. Everybody has a mobile phone, everybody is a photographer. People, how do you actually do it? Can we do it too? This is what I encountered last year in Durga Puja. I was there at Mandal, okay, and I was trying to frame a picture of Ma Durga, the Murti there, okay, and do a picture of my own. And in front of me, there were all these uncle aunties with their mobile phones, whatever that was, okay. Hey, angle ठीक है ना? So that's how it works. But even then, against that, pictures I created, I believe were a little different from what they did. So what we have to do is, we have to master the art using the tools of science, but take it to the next level by incorporating the commerce. And how do we go about it? We don't have money. We can afford these things, right? So do it again and again. I just showed you the pictures that I shot and what was the camera used. Sound sense? Total nonsense. Total nonsense, right? So far. Thank you so much. I just told it. Total nonsense, right? I'm not getting to hear anything. Yes, right? Back up and go. Proceed further. How I got there, what I did with it.
Yes.
Should I or should I not?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
आप तो सुनाई नहीं यार, मैं दीवार के साथ बात नहीं कर सकता यार. मैं क्या करता हूँ? Okay, I was not groomed in a grooming school, so obviously I did not know which fork to use when and which spoon to use where. So what I always did when I went for a fine dining scenario, I just observed the most important guy on it. I just followed him. Similarly, being IITian, let's follow this guy here. Not that we have to talk about it. What does he say? Follow your curiosity. Perseverance is priceless. Focus on the present. The imagination is powerful. Make mistakes. Live in the moment. Create value. Don't expect different results. Knowledge comes from experience. out the rules and then play it. So what do we do? What did you do? And to do that, you will be able to find what you're looking for. Photography is not just about fashion or people or architecture or interior. There is much more to talk. So getting further, themes and types. Picture speaks 1,000 words, as I say, but what does it say? And what all can we do in photography? We can document mundane tasks and call it documentary photography. Participate in an event like event photography, wedding photography is now the in thing, there's a lot of money there. Exhibitions of fashionable things, okay, to fashion and glamour photography. Kids at play, children photography, lots of parents quoting their new kids and they say, wow, मेरे बच्चे का कोई अच्छा एक फोटो खींचे. What you can do is also to photography for the Facebook profile. Lots of people, अरे मेरा Facebook profile का फोटो एक अच्छा होगा तो अच्छा होगा यार. So there is a lot of scope there as well. Okay, portrait of personality, that is portrait photography. Beautifying inanimate objects, which is product photography. Car, you love cars, I love cars. So I do a lot of car photography in the same box, but both tired. Good morning, another way. And then I was on the road. Who can give you work? Nobody. So then photo scene, go show pictures to people all over the place. Say, Baba, this is what I do. So can you give me some work? Some people were kind enough. Okay, we want to make you work, we will give you this work. So whatever work came my way, I did. I could not pick and choose because the beggars can't be choosers. I could say, oh no, I will only do Shushmita Sen and Aishwarya Rai. Okay? Or I will only I must be friends. Whatever came my way, I just did it. What was I? Beggars can't be choosers. As time went by, my vocabulary grew, and so did the vocabulary of my clients. Instead of calling me beggars can't be choosers, they started calling me, oh, he's so versatile. Isn't it the same thing? So that's what it is, right? So that being the case, all that I had to do was, whatever work came my way, I had to do it well. Better than anybody else, irrespective of the job that came to me. If you continue doing that, if you are fond of people, you get into people photography to understand emotions, okay, well, or you can bring out emotions in people, then this is the place to be. You can explore advertising photography. This was also released in Davos, and the World Economic Forum also released that. Most famous place in the world, I swear. Yeah. Has been okay. Documentary photography, event photography, fashion and glamour photography, beauty photography, calendars, Sonakshi Sinha, and so on and so forth. Children photography, portrait photography, that is Beja Darwala's girlfriend. Ganesha says, same guy. Okay. Product photography, automobile photography, wildlife photography, nature and landscape photography, interior architecture photography, industrial photography, food photography, auto journalism. I mean, you can see anytime. That's so easy. You should create that. I want to see your pictures which are better than mine. That's why I'm here. I am alone. I need to have more fun. And how can I have fun? I have more wonderful, same kind of thinking people who are more brilliant and more intelligent than me. Where am I? People there? Am I around my exam? That is my goal. That always has been my goal. To be with the best, in the best, and do the best. IIT Bombay, any better place than that? To begin with? Well, so we can travel together and do travel photography. Okay? It's very simple, isn't it? We can all become great photographers. That's it. Right? All you have to do is just follow your dreams. Right? Finally, are those dreams real? If I consider this to be a dream, is it real? What do you do? Dreams will come. You don't have to ask for them to come or request them to come. They will just come. You have a dream, it has come to you. Nobody has forced it to you or nobody has told you to wake up that dream. Just come like beautiful children coming to you. I was traveling in Ladakh and that's when these kids came and stopped my car and I saw them. They came like a beautiful dream. But what did I do? I did what I had to do. And what did I get? So, अगर मैं ये नहीं करता ये उनका तब मैं the other day I just went to one restaurant called Yoga House or something in Bangalore and they had this beautiful board which said kindly leave your shoes and your ego outside. Most of us kill ourselves and our dreams with our big huge ego. मैं IIT वाला तो मैंने तो किया क्या है आज भी अगर सब कर दिया तो कल क्या करेगा वो कुछ करना बाकी ना अगर ऐसा हो गया गाने चैप्टर क्लोज है क्या वो कुछ करना है अभी तो आज ही अगर मैं सबको बोलूं तो बहुत मैं इनका मैंने किलो भेज मैं करूं तो रहेगा क्या आगे कोई काम देगा नहीं तो माइकल वेल रिमूव के पर वो लाइक वो एक मस्जिद मंदिर और गुरुद्वारा और चर्च रिमूव इन द मॉर्निंग लीव इट असाइड. And when you do that, and when you get the best of people to work with you, what happens is, this is what? It's called www.preethambanerjee.com, created by none other than one of your fellow beings, sitting right now. So, Islawal and Khanderwal. These guys introduced the IIT. And what all have they done so far? The transformation, if you know him from the first year to the present day, you would know what I am talking about. Okay? Islawal, when he came to me, showed me two websites. Sir, मैंने आकार का वेबसाइट बनाया. Okay, check out Akar's website and check out PreethamBanerjee.com. Same guy. Okay, I didn't do anything. All I did was I said, okay, मेरा analytical scientific mind को मेरा आर्ट के साथ क्लब कर दे. We will create a shop called PreethamBanerjee.com which will generate commerce for us. So I revamped my website. Lots of things he did in the back end, which is helping me to go further. And if we go on doing stuff like these, we can go much more further than we could have otherwise gone. Like Sir rightly pointed out, the media has changed. Fox, anything what we're talking about, has now been taken over by Google and Apple. That's what he said, right? So, and you guys are the brain behind. Why don't we put it together? I share my art with you, you share your science with me, we create commerce together. What did Steve Jobs do? There is no other Steve Jobs in this world today. Not even one. Why is that? Because very few people really went ahead and did this. You must be thinking this guy is having a great time. Okay, what does he do? He travels to exotic locations, parties hard with a lot of wonderful people, okay, and just takes pictures. But does he really do that? Okay. This side also includes coming here. This is also part of my job. I better do it better than anybody else. If I fail, fair enough. I will go back try again. But my intention is to better it in such a way so that I can improve even further by not just thinking that I am only doing this, but that's what I'm projecting it to. So if you guys are serious about pursuing photography, art, cinema, or any other stream, be it engineering, I mean, give a thought to the circle on the right. It would be worth all of that. Okay, if you are going into a consultancy firm as well, or some such place, all of that would be there. You might remember Chatur from 3 Idiots. He had a Lamborghini, he had a beautiful wife, he had a beautiful bungalow. But did he have the kind of parents that Amir Khan did? The answer lies there. Now the question arises, how much does it take to order it? Value. There is no answer. If you stay at Beverly Hills in a villa, it will cost much more than staying in IIT hostel. But of course. So what do? Do you quit the job offer that is coming your way now and take up plan and both things work out? How much salary will you draw now? 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh per month? Maybe another thing. Okay? For whom? For a consultancy firm which you are not even interested in, you want to pursue your dream in the creative field, which will obviously involve a lot of management skills, which will involve a lot of strategizing, planning, marketing, sales, all of it. And creativity will also be the center. In the other places, there will be all of this, but there wouldn't be any photography or design or filmmaking and so on and so forth. It might be there, but will you have the time for it? Some of my friends who work in what is it called? Investment bankers. बहुत बड़ा है उसका. Okay? And रात को 3:30 बजे some 320 emails come to him and he responds. Okay? If you do not believe me, I will give you his number. I will introduce you to him next time you meet. And there are several such friends of mine. Okay? And what are they doing? Yeah, most of them are CC. It's just for the information. But still, they are good to release. As I mentioned, there are so many things in photography you can do. One thing that is missing very, very much in India is this. To be very frank, in the photography world, बच्चा अभी तक इस फील्ड में पैदा ही नहीं. Okay, in engineering, in other fields, बच्चा पैदा होके उसका बच्चा पैदा होके उसका बच्चा पैदा होके उसका बच्चा भी पैदा होके. But in India, photographically speaking, this is still in a very. Believe me if you will, do not believe me. Figure out, do your research as you please. Okay? So if you guys use your minds and your ideas and your hearts in the direction in which you want to pursue it, there isn't any competition, I see. And as it stands, as of today, everything is translating into a visual medium. It's all become newspaper, it's become an iPad now. We see news on television. Everything is on visual. Written text is there, definitely there, but what is the retention power? Everything people want to read to you. So if you really want to pursue, there is no materials or nobody anywhere close to it in India. There are a lot of photographers floating around, go to Facebook, there are billions of them. How many of them they get likes? And my friend, hey, yeah. But how much money will it be? My first international assignment, रात को 12:30 बजे I got a call. I was enjoying myself with some friends in one of these off, and I get a call. Vikram, I'm so sorry from the New York. So sorry, Vikram, we are extremely sorry to call you at this hour. It's urgent to me to have a word. Is it okay to talk to you right now? Yeah, it's possible. Let me know what it is. I'm not speaking. I'm having a drink. Good. So I was good. It is an urgent assignment and we need a quotation from you because it's really urgent. We need to put forward the client and all that. Fair enough. Sounds great. Can you brief me as to what the assignment will be like? Unless you understand the scope of work, like you want to buy 1 chalk or 10 chalks, you wouldn't know how much to put. Similarly, I need to understand the scale and the scope of work. So I asked for a brief. So I was given a verbal brief. Then they said I'll also send you an email to that effect and so on and so forth. And we need a code urgent. Fair enough. But since we are working for the first time, I would appreciate you to guide me as to what kind of code should I present to you so that it doesn't get disqualified. I speak off my way, and the outcome is budget is not possible in 3 frames. So 1 day assignment, it won't take long, but you do not have much, but still, will 10,000 be okay with you? New York se phone karta hai 10,000 rupees. That's very. So I asked, wait, 10,000 rupees for an assignment like this? Oh, Vikram, I'm so sorry. The line must be disturbed. I meant $10,000. 3 frames, mind. So, when we are talking about this, my daily fees, if I get my assignments, is what generally people make in a month. Now the culture. And all I do is, it is just. It's not that difficult, mind. Most of us, the biggest fun thing is, I don't know. Because most of us are running. Arey yaar, the job hai bhag. Jab tu koi nahi hai, to akela rao. I want this. Where is the competition? Everybody is putting up their pictures on Facebook, but how many of them are really considering blending all the 3 like Steve Jobs did? And failures? Steve Jobs was kicked out from Apple, which he gave birth to. What did he do? He invented Pixar. And Apple got it back. After he died, people are complaining about iPad. Not that good. I wish Steve Jobs were alive. I do not know what reality is because I am not a technocrat like you, Aisa. You don't know that. So, you still see competition? Well, I understand different degrees of demand, different competitions, different legal variants will be there. No free lunch. So, you have to, if you have the money, you can buy it. Or if you don't have the money, you have to invest time to get the right kind of person to work. It's as simple as that. And please, short-term goal is just taking pictures and making some money. Long-term goal is all that stuff, right? Keep one task of becoming big, money, power and fame. इसमें से एक नहीं का तो हो गया. बाकी तो वाइड वर्ड आइडिया है. Okay, for becoming powerful, you need patience. You got to wait for the right moment. Let this happen. Persevere. You have to wait for the right moment. And perseverance. You have to develop your eye. See things differently from others. Otherwise, what is it for which people are going to pay you ridiculous amount of money? And to become successful in the photography industry, cost time analysis, efforts and money. Is a compare. If not, we need to rethink, reconsider and create a way whereby we can do something on these lines. There are so many colleges as only in the IIT alone. Think of it, how many are there in Bombay? All that they know is taking pictures. What do they do with the pictures? We do not know. Don't you see a huge market which is empty? Which is waiting to be captured by us? The competition everywhere is. We are all going. अरे यार बिस्किट के लिए मेरा ये ठीक बना है यार, अरे यार क्या पूछेगा यार, लाइक यार मैं कंप्यूटर साइंस डिपार्टमेंट का नहीं हूँ यार, आई डोंट नो हाउ विल आई गेट अ जॉब यार, यार there is nobody. But how the hell do you think an idiot like me can survive? I can survive, brilliant guys like you can do so much more. Don't you think so? So these are the things which needs to be done, and harmonic symphony between the brain and the emotion has to come. So दिल और दिमाग को भैया जगह पे रखना पड़ेगा. You cannot get carried away when you are doing a commercial assignment. Like for example, when I was shooting for 2611, I could not get emotionally carried away. Otherwise, I would have been dead in technical management by now. Okay? Or else, when I am shooting some important assignment like a Tom Cruise kind of a thing, where his sister is sitting next to me, please don't do this. Your Tom doesn't look like Tom, so we cannot get the word. Don't get the word. Tom has to look like Tom Cruise. That is the kind of dream that I have. If you have the inclination or the interest to see what kind of dreams come from mine and how do I go about executing it, that will be something which I will also be interested in doing, provided I get a response from that and saying that boss, हम लोग अभी भी जगे हुए हैं. मेरे को लग नहीं रहा है कोई जगह हुआ यहाँ पे, सब सो गया है क्या? हाँ? नहीं अगर सो गया है तो भैया मैं दुकान बंद करो घर चलो यार. I have better things to do in life. I got so much more to do. There is nobody there to do it for me. Okay? I am waiting for you guys to join and take things forward. The call is yours. Because man is not just a figure in the landscape. He is a shaper of the landscape. And in the words of Aristotle, one of the 5 years of photography, no one has ever approached the full possibility of the medium yet. There is so much more. Now when I get assignments, I'm told, will you be able to handle the video as well? Yes. There you go. This is all. The advantage we have. Sir, ये तो ठीक है मेरा इधर वीडियो करके अलाउ नहीं. हाँ ठीक है चलेगा. That's what technology brings. I record my sound when I'm doing video on my phone. I've done that for BBC. Well, technology is supporting us in such a big way. Only thing is we are still scared. What? Failures? Who hasn't failed? Have you succeeded in doing everything that you've tried to do today? I'm sure you have failed. May not be in your college exam or school exam, but you have definitely failed in doing something. Maybe a girl you have run after like love several times, you have failed in a series. Several such things have been failures again. We continually forget. And we say, hey, we have failed, but we have failed. My dear available room. This was created by one of your fellow mates, Islam. Islamani.com. And Islam was introduced to me by Kamal Khandelwal. Again, another IIT from you, your side. Okay. So, if you are still interested in seeing the creative side of photography, or if you are tired or bored of it, or you want to see how a brief is done, what I do to execute it, and all of that, I will give you a glimpse of it. Are you still keen on seeing it or too tired?
You want to see?
How many of you are keen? People who are not keen on seeing things, please leave. The reason being, I do not want to waste your time and mine. I am very, very happy to have nobody in the class and have fun in IIT. I can go back home and tell my mom, Mummy, मैं IIT से आ रहा हूँ. Okay? And पूरा class मेरा था. So, you are more than welcome to leave at any given point of time. Sachin, holding the World Cup. There were no photographers allowed, or a handful of them allowed. So the whole world needs that picture because, and that happened actually. That picture of the assignment was not supposed to happen in the first place. It so happened that Sachin got very excited when we won the World Cup. So he opened the champagne bottle. And when he opened the champagne bottle, the whole champagne went into the ears, eyes, nose of Dhoni, who was standing just right there. So Dhoni ran inside, cleaned himself up, and it doesn't rain. So by the time Dhoni was back on the ground, it was all over. The festival was over. So there was no picture of Dhoni winning the World Cup like a couple days winning the World Cup. There was a need for. So it was created the next day so that there was a picture of Dhoni working with us. I was lucky enough. So if such a picture is shot, who would not buy it? Which newspaper would not buy it? Wouldn't they agree? So you have to create that market. You have to think there's a market for photography or visual media in every field, like websites, okay, even iPad, iPhones, wherever visual media, be it photography, be it illustration, be it cinema, anything to do with the visual media is the need of the hour. Even if you sell quotes for my website, it needs somebody to design it. It needs pictures to put in there. He might be able to do the coding, he might be able to do SEO and SMO and etc. But he is not really competent enough to look at visual. So there is a visual need for even apps that you are doing. Even if you are doing programming for gaming and all that, you would need visual illustrations of some sort. So the market in the visual media is not just photography, it's a combination of everything. As of now, what is happening of late in the photography world is people are doing a lot of CGI when it is coming to automobiles. CGI is basically computer generated images. 300 movie, everything was done in post, like animation. So you create the car in the computer, like an AutoCAD. Just giving one of the software, there's several software. So what is happening is people are clubbing various mediums of the visual media and putting it together to create one visual. So the market is opening up big time, and India is still miles.
How does the marketing in India?
There are people, but it is not really done in the right manner because there is a lack of organization skills, professionalism, of the kind of professionalism that you find in the corporate segment. So this is basically on whims and fancies. There is no structured fashion in which people are operating. If there are few and further, maybe a handful, one or two.
So where do you start? And where do I start?
Where do you start? What do you want to start?
Okay. Supposed to find my clients.
Supposed to find your clients. You have got a set of pictures. What kind of pictures do you have?
I have street photography.
You have got street photography. So if you have got street photography pictures, do you think it will be part of a holding? Possibly. If it could be an ad for Mumbai Mirror, let's bring the life of Mumbai. It could be an ad. So your pictures might be sold to an ad agency, which might buy those pictures and use it as a tangible media ad. So that's one aspect of it. The other aspect of it is there are lots of magazines across India and the globe. Online magazines as well as print magazines. So you could approach them with your portfolio of pictures and tell them this is what I have done and this is the kind of work that I do and this is the kind of quality I can deliver if you give me a subject to work on. So I will create pictures, even if I don't have the kind of pictures you're looking for, but I will create pictures of the standard that I have created so far, if it's not better. Then they might be able to commission you projects based on topics of their interest, which you might go out and see for them. They may not be able to buy the pictures that you already have, but those pictures might initiate an opportunity for them to employ you to another street photography assignment. Maybe the Life in IIT, which we are very curious about. People outside still do not have much of an idea about what exactly happens inside IIT. There are lots of good things happening on the land, but nobody knows what exactly is happening. Till you are there. Like you are not in my place. You do not even know what I am doing. So there are lots of curiosity elements involved. So if you think of ideas or projects which people might be curious about and pre-pitch also. For example, you are traveling to a destination. Okay, you can, let's say you are traveling to wherever, I mean, you name a place, any place. Kolkata, Kashmir. Okay, Kolkata and Kashmir. Okay, now if you go to Kolkata or you go to Kashmir, how many or what kind of people can you grab? Okay, you can choose the food out there, you can choose the clothing or the fashion out there, you can choose the lifestyle out there, you can choose the nature and the landscape and the topography of the place out there, you can talk about social, political issues out there. So if you go to one place, there are several such segments or stories you can make around the same place. So then, if it is a socio-political story, then it will obviously go to an India Today kind of publication. If it is a food story, it might go to BBC Food. If it's a fashion story, it might go to the Indian Vogue. What was I talking about? This is missing. The science is there. Art is there, the commerce is missing.
So what is the importance of a good equipment when these big clients are buying your photography?
Depending on the requirement of the shoot that you are doing. If you are doing a billboard or if you are doing a shot for a website, then obviously the technical requirements will vary. So for a billboard, you would definitely need a certain kind of equipment which you may not have at your disposal. Even I don't have. But thanks to the market where people are always open to opportunities to generate revenue, people have created a market where people have bought equipment and they give it on hire. They give it on rent, so you can bill the client for the equipment hire. An equipment which costs in lakhs, you will get in a few thousand rupees, and which the client would not be disappointed in paying. And you buying that equipment makes no sense. The reason being, you might get only one assignment of that caliber a month, and that equipment might be too expensive to even keep it there and make it gather dust. So it is always advisable to look and keep track of people who are giving those equipment on hire, pick up the best one, and bill the client for the hiring of it. Some sense? Any more questions?
Online portfolio, offline portfolio. Which one?
Both. Depends on who your target audience is. Now, if you are looking at online portfolio is a very good idea because it doesn't involve too much of costs. It doesn't involve traveling. You can sit right here and send your portfolio to Honolulu or Dhundutalaya for that matter. Sitting right here, sitting from this table itself by logging on to the Wi-Fi out. Okay. Whereas you have to have an offline portfolio, you have to travel to Dhundutalaya and showcase your portfolio. So it's easier. But in some cases, when the fire deal is happening, people do prefer to still see an offline portfolio because they still want to feel. Like for example, I still prefer to feel the newspaper in the morning. I still cannot enjoy my iPad newspaper. Maybe the next generation, when you guys come in, you may not even know what newspaper was. Your kids may not even know that. But as of today, it is still there.
How important is it for? Not in IIT.
Okay, there now. Looking at me, how much of show up?
Not in IIT.
Huh?
Not in IIT.
Then
In your portfolio, the client.
what do you show? You show your good work. Work that you're proud of.
No, the media, the
Yes, only your images. Because you are selling your photography. You are not selling anything else. Keep it as simple and as clean as possible. Do not distract with 5,000 designs because the design will take away the attention from the picture that you are showing. Keep it as minimalistic as possible. Because the idea is to showcase the picture, not the design. If you are a designer, then showcase the design. Forget the picture. So you have to understand what your priority is, what your goal is, and what you're trying to show. If I was a photographer, I would only show my picture. That's it. Because that's what I'm here to sell. Maybe a plain white background or a black background or a grey background. Put the picture there, finish it. Chapter closes there. Is it not more impactful? Yes, question.
We are not
Yes.
right now. When you do it for client, you know, things according to the client. Does it create a difference like you will creativity or something? I am just afraid that if I go to visualizing my art,
Well, it's a very tricky situation. It is very interesting. There are two ways of looking at it. कुछ मन के लिए करो, कुछ धन के लिए करो, और धन जो बने उससे मन का करो. Does it make some sense? What I do is when I am going to, let's say, Thailand, I shoot what the client wants. They want pictures of food shot till Four Seasons Hotel. But while I am traveling, I take pictures for myself. So it's something that you have to do. And as you go along, like today, nobody tells Sachin Tendulkar when to adapt. Even if they do, nobody can adapt. Sachin does. So attain the level of Sachin Tendulkar in your field, so that when the client comes to you, he knows that you know what you are supposed to do. The client is employing you because he can't do it or she can't do it. That's why he or she is calling you to do it. So make it very, very clear to the person you are employing me, which means you need my services and you consider my services to be good enough to be employed for a certain price. So if you believe in me so far, believe in the rest. Yes, you know your baby better, like you know your product better. You know how you are going to sell your brand through the visual that I create for you. For that, you can come with as much of input as you want to, defining or describing your product. Okay, after that, it's my view. Like for example, when Sheet called me yesterday, or I spoke to Rislaud or Tanul or somebody yesterday, that these guys have called me for a lecture. What am I supposed to do? So I was told a career-related lecture. So I totally changed it. I did not talk about the composition and rules. Did I talk about the aesthetics of it? Or did I show you interesting videos and visuals? No. But within that, I tried to take out instances from my life which would make you realize that an idiot like me can also do some work that he wants to do. So if I can do it, anybody can. That's the whole idea. And if I can do so much alone, we all join hands and try to structure it now. So much more can happen. Like Sir had mentioned a while ago that Steve Jobs and Bill Gates, they realized their calling. You don't have to quit your IIT. What I'm saying is, even within your IIT, you can still create themanagement.com. He got paid for it. He got his commercial fee. He didn't do it for free. Maybe a discounted price, which I will take advantage of. Because everybody takes advantage of the situation. Given in a situation, if you have to choose an advantageous position, you would always go for that. And there is no point in me lying about it. I am upfront about it. What is wrong with it? He got an opportunity to prove what he is capable of doing. In the process, he himself got to learn so much because he got stuck so many places. He had a problem because my father opened the website and it did not open. So I went back to his father and said, what have you done? My website is not opening in Calcutta. So Islam figured that Windows Explorer is what my father was using. So even the browser made a difference, which had not struck us when we were working on it. To such an extent that not Windows Explorer but 8, right? 8 was the only Explorer का जो ये था वो नहीं चल रहा. So he gave up eventually. He said, "Sir, up we will have to tell people enough is enough. Was upgrade yourself or forget our website." It came to that point, but he fought and he found a solution to that as well. In the process, how much of learning did he have? Can that be equated in terms of money? The kind of price he can quote tomorrow because the learning that he has achieved so far is cannot be calculated any money. Can it be? This is what is called, because the kind of assignment that I did in my earlier stages of life, that has helped me take up any assignment that is coming to me. Be it a New York Times assignment, or a British Vogue assignment, or an Audi assignment, or a Talk To assignment. I am not afraid of thinking. like sir also pointed out, that no knowledge that you have gained over the years is a waste. Even if you want to give your stream into something else altogether, which is nothing to do with engineering, it is very much possible. Biggest example is again I am putting Steve Jobs because he is the one guy I love him for the fact that he has done all the art, sciences, commerce so good. Okay, he studied calligraphy. आज टाइपिंग करते हैं ना हम लोग, उसकी काबिलियत, nothing goes wrong. Am I correct or wrong? You can utilize this knowledge that you have learned. What IIT does for you is create an analytical mind. Islaul and Tanuj helped me in a big way yesterday by sending me pointers. I am not lying. Saying that, sir, the guys might be interested in a different kind of presentation. So don't come with a creative presentation. The reason being, that is not the idea. So I reworked on the presentation this afternoon and I got it. I may have succeeded, I may have failed. But I gave it a try. But when I go for a next workshop somewhere on similar lines, I have at least got something good. I will work on it. I didn't have the time because she called me only yesterday. If I get maybe a day or two's time, maybe I will be able to fine tune it better and make it more exciting and interesting, which I'm sure I will. I had some other work to do also. Any more questions? Have I been responsible for promoting anyone's work? Okay? Have I been responsible? Islaul. Apart from him, several.